Introduce features interest for portable electric Burr coffee grinder. CONQUECO small coffee bean grinding machine, rechargeable stainless conical Burr grinders with multiple grind settings, 20 grams, with brush. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The housing and blade of this electric coffee grinder are made of 304 stainless steel, which is strong, sharp, and very durable, grinding coffee bean more fully. Most coffee lovers will tell you that stainless conical burrs are much better than blades or ceramic for uniform grind size and flavor. The powder cup adopts ABS environmental protection material. One touch to turn on off. The adjustable conical Burr coffee grinder is equipped with over 45 manual grind settings to ensure grinding precision and 100% control over grind roughness. Just twist the bottom dial to adjust the grinding thickness of the coffee beans according to your personal habits. The built-in battery can run for a week with only 2 hours of charging, depending on the number of personal use. Easy to operate, one-button start, automatic induction of coffee beans to stop. Due to the lightweight design, you can put this cordless and USB rechargeable mini coffee grinder in your bag or suitcase, so you can enjoy the deliciousness of freshly ground coffee anytime you're at home, office work, trip, hiking, camping, party, leisure. The fully automatic coffee grinder saves time, effort, and space compared to traditional manual coffee grinders and main-powered grinders. During the grinding process of the low-noise motor, you don't worry about making too much noise and disturbing your family during breaks. It only takes 2 minutes to grind 15 grams coffee beans. Cleaning brush included for easy cleanup. The removable upper burr, hopper, and chamber removes easily for effortless cleanup. Do not use water or other liquids to clean the inside of the espresso bean grinder burrs. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.